The word that we're going to look at today is tautoko. Tautoko. Tautoko meaning to support someone. Go and tautoko him. Ooh, ai tautoko that whakaaro. Me tautoko koe ki ai. Tautoko meaning to support. So if we break this kupu up, we've got the tau. I like to say we've got 3 parts to it. The tau, the to, and the ko. Now I think a lot of people can get caught up, particularly with O's in Te Reo Māori. They still pronounce them as O. So it ends up being toko, tautoko, which isn't quite right. So the first part, tau, ta, u. We can break the tau up into ta and u. Tau, tau. Make that faster and faster. Tau, tau, tau. Very similar to the sound for this thing hanging off the end of your foot. Tau, tau. And then the next part, the T and the O. To, to. Sorry, should be shorter. To. K-O, ko. To, ko. To, to, ko. To, to, ko. Have a go at working on that. Tautoko.